Mamelodi Sundowns crush Nigerian Cats with historic CAF Champions League rout. In a watershed moment for South African football, Mamelodi Sundowns exercised their long-standing Nigerian Cats with a breathtaking 5-0 demolition of Remo Stars in the first leg of their CAF Champions League second preliminary round on Sunday evening. The emphatic victory at the MKO Abiola International Stadium in Ogun State not only placed the reigning Betway Premiership champions on the brink of qualification, but also ended years of frustration for South African clubs on Nigerian soil, where success had previously proven elusive. For decades, trips to Nigeria have spelled trouble for Sundowns and their compatriots. Painful defeats to powerhouses like Enyimba and Lobby Stars had entrenched a sense of dread whenever the fixture list pointed north. But on this humid night in Ogun, Miguel Cardoso's men turned the narrative on its head, combining precision, composure, and ruthless attacking football to silence the home crowd. The tone was set early. Just 12 minutes in, Teshrick Matthews seized on a loose ball outside the box and unleashed a thunderbolt into the top corner, a strike worthy of any highlight reel and a declaration of Sundowns' intent 1-0. Remo Stars attempted to rally, finding rhythm in midfield and probing for weaknesses, but the Sundowns backline, marshalled superbly by Grant Gegana and Motobi Mvala, stood resolute. Moments before halftime, the visitors doubled their advantage. A perfectly timed through ball sliced open the Nigerian defense, and Bisesha Lulile, ever the predator, coolly slotted past the advancing keeper to make it 2-0. Goalkeeper Ronwen Williams ensured Sundowns took that cushion into the break, producing a magnificent point-blank save in the dying seconds of the half to deny the host any lifeline. The second half saw Remo Stars come out with renewed purpose, pressing higher and controlling possession, yet every Sundowns counter-attack felt like a dagger. On the hour mark, right back Kolisi Mutau burst down the flank with trademark energy, drawing three defenders before laying off a simple pass for Miguel, who tapped home to extend the lead 3-0. 3 minutes later, the home side came agonizingly close, rattling the crossbar, but their despair deepened soon after when substitute Arthur Sales made it 4-0 in the 75th minute. Pouncing on a defensive lapse to compound the misery, the Nigerians found brief joy through Samson Olusapo, who pulled one back to loud cheers from the home fans. But Sundowns had the final say, and it was beauty. In the 86th minute, Katlego Tsiki Tabeleng marked his Champions League debut in style, firing home the fifth and final goal to seal a night of pure dominance. The 5-1 scoreline not only put Sundowns firmly in control ahead of the return leg in Pretoria, but also signals a changing of tides in continental football. The South Africans, are now boasting one of the most formidable squads on the continent, have shown that they can not only compete but dominate away from home. For Coach Cardoso, this was more than just a victory. It was a statement of belief, character, and tactical brilliance. For South African football, it was a long overdue breaking of chains. Cardoso said, "We've been chasing this moment for years. To win here in Nigeria against champions, it means everything to players, the club, and our supporters." Sundowns returned home with one foot in the group stages and with the swagger of a team rewriting African football history, one emphatic performance at a time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.